So they want us to find, for this problem, they want us to find f of g of x. So to do that, start writing f of x. But every time you see an x, don't write the x in.
Okay.
All right? That's what I would have done. This is what x is. But what am I, instead of x, I'm plugging in.
G of x.
So this whole thing goes in there. 3 minus 1/2 x squared goes into there. So how do I do that right there? Well, that's a simplification issue.
Mm-hmm.
That a lot of people think they can distribute that 2 in. They can't. It's actually got to be FOILed out.
Okay.
So when I FOIL it out, I'm going to get 4 times 3 times 3 is 9 minus, that's going to be negative 3/2 x squared, but I've got 2 of them.
Mm-hmm.
So negative 3/2 plus the negative 3/2 x squared, I'll do this on the side, minus 3/2 x squared is going to be what?
So then negative 6 or 2 x squared, so then negative 3.
That's right, it's negative 3x squared. And then I multiply the last together. Negative 1/2 x squared times negative 1/2 x squared is positive 1/4 x to the 4th.
Okay.
Minus 3. That's your answer. Well, almost your answer. Now simplify it more by distributing the 4 in. 4 times 9 is
36.
36 minus 12x squared plus x to the 4th. That's nice. And now these are like terms. And let's turn it around so that it's in standard form. Whoops. Biggest degree goes first. Usually it looks better. So x to the 4th minus 12x squared.
And then plus 33.
Plus 33. There's your answer.
When he gives you the parentheses 4 part over here, what exactly are we supposed to do with this 4 value?
So if they ask you find f of g of 4, well, there's your f of g of x. Now you can just plug 4 in to x right there.
Okay.
Now you could have done, if that's all they wanted, you really could have done that at the very beginning by just plugging 4 into here, plug 4 into g of x,
and plug in
get that value, and then plug whatever that value is into f of x,
Okay.
into the x for f of x. You could have done that.